everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Corel Draw, specifically how to make blocker decals. So the first thing you want to do is think about what exactly you want to create. So for me, since this is going to be like a locker decal, I was thinking, okay, it has to be something to do with school. So I went on Google and I found just a generic mascot, which actually you can see I found two. This first one right here wasn't very large size, so I found this one right here that's a bit larger. And again, I mean, you do want to have a picture preferably that is bigger size. So we'll go and import that. And you can see that's importing at 15 inches. Now, I'm trying to think what would be reasonable. Let's try to scale that down to maybe like 5 inches. That'd probably be a bit more realistic. So you can see right now we have a height of 5 inches, and that looks pretty good right there. So the next thing we need to do is we need to set a cut line for it. So since this shape is already roughly a square, the rectangle tool will be perfect. So I'll select that, go up to the corner, click, drag across down to the other corner. You can see we're snapping on the node. And what we need to do is we need to set this line so that the rolling machine will know to cut. So to do that, first of all, we'll set the outline width to hairline and the outline color just below it. You see this show color palettes, drop down menu, down to Roland, and we'll set this as Roland VersaWorks. Then we want this cut contour color, and you can see that adds this pink line all the way around the image, and that's going to be what tells the machine to cut. So it'll print out the dinosaur and all the text, of course, and then it'll cut around on this pink line that we just created. So now all we need to do is export this file. So we'll go up to File and Export. We would give it some sort of a name. So we can even just call this mascot. We do want to make sure that's an EPS format, which if it's not, we'll just find this drop down menu and then find EPS. And then it'd be a matter of saving it onto like a flash drive or something, bringing it to the computer desk, then we would print that out. Of course, our current price is $2.50 per foot. So this would just be $2.50 for this particular decal. And it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jcpublib.org/creative space.